And we're back with another video. Now, I've recently bought parts for my turbo build. The rest of it I'm still waiting for in the mail, but the first part of it came yesterday, and it's the Antz Performance catch can. This is their race version one. So yeah, I just thought I'd do a little unbox video and see what we've got inside. Alright, let's see what's inside. Alright, first thing I'm seeing is a sticker, which is pretty cool. I'll open that in a sec. Yeah, dash 8 breather hose. So it's just some braided hose with some dash 8 fittings. We've got the actual can itself. Let's have a look. This is the filter that goes on top of the can. This will be just generic dash 8 hose. There it is, just some braided hose. Looks like you get 3 meters of it, so that should be plenty. And lastly, we've got a pack of Antz AN fittings. So we'll open that up and have a look. Alright, so it comes with a couple of these clamps, which just hold the hoses together nicely. Got the breathers, which I didn't know came with this kit. I wasn't sure because they have them listed on the website individually. So these are the fittings for the rocker cover. This one's the one you've got to press on to the more forward vent on the rocker cover, and this one's the one that goes in the back where your PCV valve would normally go. And the others is just so you get two 90s, two 90 elbows and two 45s with Antz. So yeah, pretty cool.